Example 1. Okay, we're going to look at negative indices. So write down example 1. What is 2 over 5? All, and that's why I put the brackets in, to the power of, oh fiddly dee. Must be okay. All to the power of minus 1. Well, as soon as you see a negative number, what you do is you turn this upside down. It's the reciprocal. So 2 over 5 to the power minus 1 is 5 over 2. The power minus 1 means reciprocal, the upside down version of it. Let's go through that again. Example 2. 8 over 11, all to the power of minus 1. It's simplicity itself. You just turn that fraction upside down. But what happens if it's not so easy to turn the fraction upside down? Here we go. I'll give you an example of one that's not so easy. Example 3. 2 and a half, all to the power of minus 1. So what you do is you turn it to an improper fraction. Now just a reminder what you do. You take the big number times the denominator, 2 times 2, and then add that. So it's times, then add. So 2 and a half to the minus 1 is 5 over 2 to the minus 1. Now I'll have questions at the end. This is a live recording. I can't interrupt it, sorry. And then that becomes 2 over 5. Go through one more where we've got a mixed number. Example 4. 3 and 2 fifths, all to the power of minus 1. Well, the first thing we do is we turn that 3 and 2 fifths into an improper fraction. 3 times 5, 15. Add 2, 17. So it's 17 over 5 to the minus 1. And to the minus 1 means just invert it. Unusual way of saying turn upside down. So we've got 2 more cases we need to be aware of. Example 5. Write this down. 6 all to the power of minus 1. Now, because there's only one part to this number, the 6, we don't have to put brackets there. The way to think of it, the best way to think of it is being, hang on, that's 6 over 1, isn't it? Now, 6 over 1 to the minus 1 is 1 over 6. Example 6. Let's just go through one more like that. 15 to the power of minus 1. Just put a 1 underneath it. I mean, you could probably get away in an exam without putting this bracket there. I'm doing this from a teaching point of view because it's the whole thing to the minus 1. And you get 1 over 15. The final one I want to look at is example 7. About 1 over 4, all to the power of minus 1. Now, that really isn't complicated. It's just the way we finish off our answer. So it's 4 over 1, but anything over 1, we tend to just write as the whole number, the top part.